What's up, my boos? It's your girl Tasha back with another video, y'all. I know it's been a minute. I left y'all hanging and your girl apologizes, okay? I promise I'm gonna be back and be a little more consistent this year because your girl got some hair goals and I'm here to try to make them accomplish them with y'all. So look, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. If you are new, welcome to the channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Hey, y'all. Today your girl is about to be showing y'all what I use in my hair oil bottle, and we also gonna be doing a hot oil treatment on this hair because it is time to wash it. It's real thick in here, y'all. It's real, ooh, it's a jungle in here. So yeah, we're about to do a hot oil treatment. I'm gonna make up my oil, show y'all how I make my oil, show y'all what oils I put in my bottle. I'll probably let y'all know the benefits of each oil somewhere in this video. And yeah, y'all just come do this hot oil treatment with me. Any videos y'all want to see, let your girl know because I'm willing to do them. If you got any products you want your girl to try, let me know that as well down in the comment section below. And also let me know what's in your oil bottle, ladies. What do y'all have in y'all oil bottle, hair oil bottle at home? Let me know down in the comment section below. But yeah, let's get into this thing. So first, I gotta section off my hair, and I know it's gonna be a mess because I ain't washed my hair. It's been probably about 3 weeks, y'all. It's probably been about 3 weeks since I washed my hair, and I've been putting gel on top of this blowout that I did, so it's real thick for no reason. Let me get my clips, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna clip it off in 4 sections. Rough, y'all. So yeah, how's y'all's 2025? Ooh, I was gonna say 2024, your girl behind. How is y'all's 2025 going thus far? What are y'all's goals and resolutions for this year? Like I said, one of my goals and resolutions is to get my hair a specific length. And I thought, what better way to give y'all videos than go to take y'all on this new hair journey with your girl. So that's why we are here. In my next video, after this one, I'm gonna be blow drying my hair out and doing a length check. So make sure y'all got y'all's notifications on so y'all can catch that video as well. It's tangled, but I'm gonna get untangled to do this hot oil treatment. Have y'all ever done a hot oil treatment? If so, what oils do y'all prefer to use? What oils don't y'all like on y'all's hair? I know for me specifically, I do not like coconut oil. Coconut oil tends to dry my skin and my body, my skin and my hair all the way out. So I don't like coconut oil. For me, it just makes me back ashy. Like, it don't do nothing for me. So the first oil I like to put in my oil bottle, which I already have some in here, is this extra virgin olive oil. This is like my main oil. Even when I don't have none of my other oils, this is my go-to. This is my carrier oil. This is like $20 at Walmart, I think, for this bottle. So I usually fill my oil bottle up about halfway with the extra virgin olive oil. Okay. And then after my extra virgin olive oil, I do some avocado oil, y'all. And like I said, I'm gonna drop the benefits. Y'all gonna catch it somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna put them at, yet. You know your girl gotta get back into doing videos on her channel. But I'm looking all in the sky. Whoo, Lord forgive me. I'm trying to get back into it, y'all. But I'm gonna drop the benefits of each oil somewhere in this video. So next I go in with 100% avocado oil. And you know, everybody's hair is different. This is the oil mill. I've been natural since 2016. So I've tried a lot of oils and a lot of products, and these are the things that work for my hair. Like I said, my husband loves coconut oil, so I know some of y'all might like coconut oil and it might work for y'all's hair, but it don't work for me. These are the oils that work for me. So then after my avocado oil, I do grapeseed oil, y'all. Open this one. My man been sneaking in my oils, y'all. That's the only thing about using these. He can use them too. He be trying to sneak my oils and cook with them. I gotta hide them. So, grapeseed oil. Okay. Next, I do. This is good for them edges. Y'all see your girl's edges is starting to thin out a little bit. So yeah, we gotta get this hair back right. I go in with a little of that, not too much. Okay. And then I do a few drops of eucalyptus oil. So I'm gonna do eucalyptus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About that. And then I'm gonna shake that up. Okay, so next thing is you want to heat your oil. You don't want to put your oil in the microwave because the microwave is going to take all the nutrients and all the good stuff that's in this oil out. So what you want to do is heat it. What I do personally is I boil some water and I let this sit in there for a few minutes to heat the oil naturally. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm about to take y'all downstairs real quick so we can go heat up our oil. And yeah, we'll come right back up here. Out to Temu for sending your girl this little kettle right here. It literally takes like 2 to 4 minutes to heat up my water. This is how I heat up my water. Once it comes to a boil, your girl will drop in the oil and let it sit in there for a few minutes. And yeah, so let me get this to a boil and I will be right back. Okay, y'all, so just like that, our water is now boiling. And then I'm gonna pour it over here, if y'all can see. Pour that in there. Okay. And then I'm just gonna let this sit. I'm gonna let that sit in there for like 5 to 7 minutes. It just depends on how long it takes to heat it up. We're just gonna let it sit in there and get warm that way. And once that gets warm, we're gonna go back upstairs and start this hot oil treatment, y'all. Okay, y'all, so we're back. Oil is hot. I left it in there for about 5 minutes, I wanna say. And it is hot now. Not hot, but warm enough. So, ooh. Let me move my carpet because I don't want to get no oil all on my rug, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I like to start each section off by doing my roots first. I work the oil into my roots real good, massage it in. Then I spray it down with a little water to make my hair a little damp. And I start at the ends of my hair and work my way back up to my roots. I section each section off to make sure it is really saturated with the oil. And then I like to go ahead and twist each section off. Now, don't be shy with that oil, ladies. Make sure y'all really, really oil your hair down when you're doing this when you're doing a hot oil treatment. Go ahead and put that oil up in there, y'all. Get it in there real good. And you don't want to forget about them edges. Go ahead and make sure you oil them edges down too, y'all. Next video, no, because I'm finna cut today's hair day routine down to 3 videos for y'all. So right now I'm finna do the hot oil treatment. Next, I'm gonna do my budget friendly wash day routine. So make sure y'all come back to check that out. That should be out. This will be out on Monday. Girl, I got a little nap that would not come off my finger. This will be out on Monday. So I'll probably wait until Wednesday to drop the budget friendly wash day routine. And then after the budget friendly wash day routine, I am going to blow dry my hair, stretch it, and then I got a white shirt that we are going to mark where my hair is now to make sure we reach the goal. So we're gonna do a length check and a blow dry in the third video. So make sure y'all come back for that one. And then in one of those videos, I'll probably take y'all through my journey with me so y'all can see what my hair was like in 2016 and how much it grew, because it grew tremendously. And then after it grew, me and my sister did a big chop about 2 years ago. So I big chopped my hair about 2 years ago, and I did not stay consistent with getting my hair to where I wanted it to be. So I dyed my hair, y'all. I ended up dyeing my hair red. So I had some breakage for that. And I know if I stay consistent and do my hair all year like I'm supposed to, we can do it. We can get it there. So that is gonna be the goal. Twist this one off real quick so I can show y'all my next step. Ooh, this one juicy, y'all. This one is super juicy. Oh, my hands are slippery. Okay. Boom. So once you work all your oil in to your scalp and your hair, ooh, it's oil dripping everywhere. That's why I put this shirt on, y'all. You want to cover it with a shower cap. I get these little shower caps. You get like 100 for like $2 at Walmart, y'all. So I cover, oil dripping everywhere. I cover it up. I get this now. I think they have these on Amazon. I'm gonna link it in my storefront. Y'all make sure you go try out your girl's storefront. Go check out your girl's storefront, Amazon storefront. I'm gonna link it down below. I believe they have these on Amazon, but I got this one from Etsy. Y'all bought this one off Etsy. So basically, I'm gonna go throw this in the microwave for about a minute or two. It's kind of like a heating pad. It got like heating things inside. So I'm gonna throw this in the microwave for like 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna put this on, and I'm probably gonna sit for probably about an hour before I wash my hair. So let me go heat this up, and your girl gonna be right back, okay? Okay, your girl is back. I put it in the microwave for a minute, and it is perfect. It is warm. So we gonna go ahead, what the hell, hair everywhere, and put this on. Woo! Okay, it's a little toasty up under here, y'all. little toasty up under here, y'all. Okay. So she is on. I'm gonna sit under here for like, right there, okay. I'm gonna sit up under here for like an hour. Then I'm gonna wash my hair. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative for some of you guys. I hope you guys try some of the oils. If you do try some of the oils, let me show y'all. Let your girl know what oils you tried and what they did. We got avocado oil, virgin olive oil, grapeseed oil, eucalyptus, and some Jamaican, extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. Make sure y'all let me know if you decide to try them. Get this video to 500 likes for your girl so I can post another one and stay motivated to post. And yeah, that's it. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video.